Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted Facebook business page. If you've accidentally removed your business page or changed your mind after deleting it, Facebook gives you a window to restore it before it's permanently gone. Let's walk through the recovery process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in using your Facebook business account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page listed there. This will take you directly to your business page management area. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, direct your attention to the left navigation menu again. Here, you need to locate the Meta Business Suite option. Click on it to access the centralized hub where you can manage all aspects of your business presence across Facebook and Instagram. This is where most of your business tools and settings are housed. You'll now be redirected to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. At the top of the page, find the Profile drop-down menu and click on it. A small window will pop up displaying the business portfolio associated with your account. Look for the gear icon, which represents business settings, and click on it. This is where you can access deeper configuration options for your business accounts and pages. You'll be taken to your business portfolio settings page. This is the control center for managing all the pages and accounts under your Meta Business Suite. To recover or reactivate a deleted page, look for the Add Account option in the menu and click on it. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the pages you manage under your Meta Business Suite. Browse through the list and locate the specific page you want to restore or reactivate, then click on it to open its details. Now you'll be presented with the page details and status information. Here's where the recovery happens. You should see an option that says Cancel Closure underneath the page information. This is your lifeline to restore the page before it's permanently deleted. Simply click on Cancel Closure and Facebook will begin the restoration process. Keep in mind that your page won't be restored immediately. Facebook typically takes up to 3 business days to fully reactivate and restore your page to its previous state, so be patient during this waiting period. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a request to recover your deleted Facebook business page, and it should be back online within 3 business days. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.